Question 9. Express the square root of 10 to the power 360 divided by 10 to the power 150 times 10 to the power 90 as a power of 10. Well, firstly, the square root over all of this means all of it is risen to the power of a half. I'm leaving the numerator as is at the moment, 10 to the power 360. On the denominator, when we multiply powers, we add them. So 150 plus 90 is 240. So this is now 10 to the power 360 divided by 10 to the power 240. When we divide powers, we subtract. And so this is the same as 10 to the 120 to the power of a half. And then when we have two indices, one on the inside, one on the outside the bracket, we multiply these together. And so this is the same as 10 to the power 60. Liam was asked to express 12 to the power 50 squared as a power of 12. Liam wrote 12 to the power 50 squared is 12 to the 50 squared, which is 12 to the power 2500. Liam's method is wrong. Explain why. As mentioned in part A, when we have the powers, one on the inside, one on the outside the bracket, these numbers actually get multiplied together. So it shouldn't be 50 to the power 2, it should have been 50 times 2. And so the answer should have been 12 to the power 100.